Alright, hey everybody. So we just got dumped, like a massive snowstorm. I'm talking like 10 inches, we'll say. It's all the way up to my kneecaps. I'm just trudging through the snow. I got a few videos and pictures of all the snow and the car. And then I had to clean it off. I still have to shovel out the front, but I cleaned the car off pretty decently. I'm pretty proud. Considering there was so much snow on top. It has the bars, so it kind of just sits and piles up in the middle. So anyway, I have to talk about yesterday. Yesterday we went to Beavertail, Rhode Island. I got a lot of footage and all. It was great. I put a video together. I was pretty proud of the video, actually. When I got home, I tried to put it all together. I just lost it all. I don't know how or why or what happened, but it's gone. And I was pretty bummed out. So, because we were supposed to go to New Hampshire, but we ended up going to Beavertail, so at least we could get a video of something. And then we just, we lost it all. I had me and my little brother. But, so today's vlog will be pretty boring as well. I just want to get something out there. Maybe I'll go see Sam a little bit later. But other than that, there's nothing going on. I'm just going to take some videos and pictures of the snow and drive out and go get some coffee. I was also, this morning, going to do a, morning work routine type thing. But I didn't go to work because there's 10 inches of snow. They didn't even plow the streets until, 7. And I have to leave for work by 5:30. So I didn't even get that. So there's really not much going on. But, I'm going to go shovel out the front of the car, and I'll see you guys back when I go get coffee. She is so excited for the snow. Oh, she's just a medium-sized pup. Shay, go, come here. Up, up. Good girl. She's just a little pup. Hey! Hey! Shay, come on. Come on. Let's go. She's just a little pup. Alright, Warren's with me because I dragged him to go get the coffee with me. And we got our Dunkins. Why, Warren?
It's Dunkins.
Because where are we?
Northbridge. We're Mass.
Bigger.
We're in America.
Smaller.
America runs on Dunkins.
Smaller. America doesn't run on Dunkins. Only our
town? No. What are you on about?
New England! New England runs on Dunkin' Donuts. They put America just so nobody felt left out. But everywhere else is crap. When you leave the States and you start to realize the Dunkin' Donuts in the other states, then you'll know what we all talk about.
Well, that's why Starbucks is good in every state.
Mm-hmm.
Well, better in other states.
Actually, Oregon doesn't have any Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts unless you go into Portland. But Portland's so far from everything else since it's like Boston, or like the city. So they have drive-up coffee shops. Drive-up or walk-up coffee shops.
Okay.
Right next to their dispensaries.
Oh no, walking.
No, I'm just saying. And So good. Oregon has the best coffee. Dunkin's, this is the first time I bought Dunkin's in 3 months. I don't care for Dunkin's that much. It's too sweet. Doesn't really do anything for me. So I just buy the grocery store. You pour them in and call it a day.
Yeah.
I like those best. Have you ever?
I didn't even notice this was our driveway.
Neither did I couldn't see it. Why does that always happen? Oh, so.
Your mom's car.
I know. Look at everybody's car. Oh, actually,
It looks so weird.
I'm just gonna like drive forward into my spot
Yeah, probably not bad.
because look how skinny that is, and Opie looks a little bigger. So if you haven't known, I already told everybody, but we had 15 inches fall down last night, which didn't come till around 3 in the morning. So we would have been fine on our New Hampshire trip, but we weren't. We didn't go. We wanted to play it safe, right, Warren?
But they don't even know about the other trip.
Warren,
Cause
do you have another coffee? Thank you, God. They don't know about. I told them that they did. I told them about the other trip this morning. I was like, we got to Rhode Island.
Oh.
To all these. Oh, look at this new phone. Oh, it already fell. Man, this is really hard to get everything on camera. I told them about the Rhode Island trip and how we couldn't go. Here, give Mom this and her stuff. I'll give Mom her stuff. But that's pretty much it. I might be going to the store later. Other than that. I did the front flip because Warren's a podcast. Back in the car, I just wanted to show everybody that Boo is nice and warm. The heat's blowing in his hair, and Shay's back there playing. The main concern was Boo, since he's such a little dog. He's crying because he always cries. There's never a day where he doesn't cry. But that was our snow adventure. I don't think we're gonna have any more snow adventures for today, besides getting a couple other things done. Other than that, the snow adventure's over, and all is good. There's a couple people watching me right now.
Where'd that come from?
What? Probably my hat. Got some snow in the car. Not a big deal because it is the cross track. If it was any other car, we'd be too wimpy to have snow. But this is the cross track. It's gonna have so many adventures this summer. So much stuff going on, right, Warren? So much. Next weekend we're doing the New Hampshire trip. But as for now, we're just heading home because it is cold. Even though this guy's nice and warm now, he is getting the amount of heat that he has to do to warm up. And Shay is just always ready to play in the snow. She's just having a ball. Okay, we're at Sam's house. They're gonna laugh at me and think I'm the cringiest piece of shit in the world, but that's okay. Sam's cleaning off her car. She just got 2 new stickers. The elephant one is from Eastern Border, and the soldier one is from a few months ago. And then that one you got when you first got the car. Sam's cleaning off her car. It is a huge car. She did nice. She did nice. We dragged Warren because we just did. And then I got this sweatshirt from Eastern Border, but I'm not even sure if I am a decent human being in it. Everybody's saying yes, but Warren's declaring a snowball fight. He almost fell in. So, we decided we're going to the car wash. Sam's gonna get in the car. The whole awkwardness is gonna begin. She's excited to go to the car wash. We're gonna wash this car because everybody's drawing on the back because it's so dirty. Right, Sam?
What?
You're drawing on the back because it's so dirty. Everybody changes whenever they see that I have the awkward, cringy camera. Alright, so we just picked up a package, right, Warren?
Yep.
We were just at Sam's house, we got a car wash, and there, all that. It's gonna be a total separate vlog. But we got to Sam's house, and it turns out Shay, my dog, his mom, who is in Florida with our other dog, Tucker, sent a huge, giant puppy haul, Chewy.com box, a extravaganza, whole big thing. Right, Warren? And we're totally gonna make a video on opening it before Shay sees it and while Shay sees it. Like as soon as we get out of the car, which in a few minutes, we're going to open the box, do all that stuff. But I'm gonna post the video tomorrow because we gotta keep the content rolling.
We're not doing anything tomorrow.
Yeah, we're not doing anything tomorrow. I'm working, but tomorrow I'm gonna film a work routine video. So that's going to be that video for tomorrow. But for today, I have the video that we just made at the car wash. Duncan's run. Everything else we did today, I forget completely. Washing the cars, going to the car wash. I already said that.
Putting stickers on.
Putting the stickers on. All like the small video crap, that's going up. Our Rhode Island one, I already said this today, but it got deleted. It was beautiful video of it all, but it got deleted. No big deal because we're going to be going to New Hampshire next weekend and we're going to make some awesome videos there, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so I'm going to finish driving home, then we're going to pop open the trunk, look at all the toys inside, and then we're going to go inside, give them all to Shay, and watch her reaction on it. So I'll see you guys when we get back.